A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. You know, say, I know everybody who hear God word respond to it the same way. For some, it come in like say a maca bush, it drop in. For some, I just some dry ground and it just stay on top. Some people, it go down deep in their heart and it bear no fruit. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, then click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 4 from verse 1 to verse 20. One next time, Jesus did a teach side of the lake. One big crowd of people gather up around him. Him did have to go in a one boat pan the lake go sit down while the heap of people them turn up at the lake side. And he used some little story and teach them whole heap of sitting. Him said to them, say, hear this. One farmer did go out for plant some seed. And when he did a plant, some of the seed them drop which part people walk and the bud them con yam them up. Some drop with bare rock stone there. Then they have much dirt for grow in. No, cause no whole heap of dirt there. The root couldn't go down deep, so the plant them come up fast. When the sun come up, it catch up the plant them and through their root they long enough. Them dry up and dead. Some other seed drop amongst maca bush, and when them pop up, the maca bush choke them. So they never bear nothing. But some of the seed them drop on good ground and come bear food. Some bear 30 and 60 and even 100 times more than what the farmer did plant. Then Jesus said, anybody who have ears for ear, better listen good. After the crowd left, the 12 apostles and the other people them where they their own Jesus asked him about the Torah them. So he answered them, say, Uno, get the chance to know the secrets in them about God kingdom. But the people them where they outside may use Torah, tell them everything. So even though they might look hard, they not go see nothing. And even though they might listen good, them not go understand where them hear. Cause if them did understand, them would have turned away from their sin and get saved. Then Jesus asked them, say, "Uno no understand that already? Then how not go understand no other story?" The farmer plant the message. The seed will drop which part people walk. Them are the people will hear the message. But Satan comes same time and take away the message out of them heart. The seed them will drop which part bear rock stone there are the people them were well glad for God's word same time them hear it. But seem like the plant with a root no go down deep in the ground. Them no make God word go down deep in them heart. So them no last no time. When tough time lick them, sake of God word, them give up and turn back same time. Same like how the plant dry up and dead. Still, some people come in like they see them we drop in a maca bush. Them people there hear God word, but through them are fret about life. Through all they can think about are how to make money and get rich. And through them want more and more things. Them sitting there, black God word. So it not do nothing different in them life. But some other seed drop on good ground. Them are the people who hear God word and take it in, and it bear whole heap of fruit. 30, 60, or even 100 times more than what a farmer did plant. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.